Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And hello everyone. Rusnani Ahmad would like to continue our video tutorial on how to do the indirect quotations of the in-text citations. A guide from single author to more than 6 authors for the part 2. Actually, citations or in-text citations is a need to all the researchers outside there, where it is a process to cite a source that you show within the body of your text, that you took words, ideas, figures, images, and other from the another place. So at this part 2 tutorial video, I would like to explain more on how to do the in-text citations, especially for the indirect quotations with the parenthetical citation. It means you are having your own words, but you mix it with the original ideas of the authors, right? For example, the 3, 4, or 5 authors, how you need to do the in-text citations, how you can do the in-text citation. Actually, if you are having it for the first time or initial citations for the 3, 4, or 5 authors, according to the APA style, so you need to have the surnames of all the authors, right? For example, in this case, the results from an influential study of personality characteristics according to Gomez, Smith, and Wu, 1984, altogether must be in bracket. It means the surname of the first author, second author, and the third author. And put a comma and make sure you have the symbol of and for the parenthetical citations, right? After that, make sure you have the year of publications, right? Then you can proceed with the statement. If you are repeatedly having the similar source, so you need to have the subsequent citations. For the subsequent citations, you need to do like this. For example, these results, according to those 3 authors previously, you need to have only the first surname of the author, Gomez, right? And then followed with the ET and have a space AL at all, have a dot and have a comma and proceed with the year of publications. Altogether must be in bracket because you are having parenthetical citations. And then you continue to have the statement. Also represent the first demonstrations that blah blah blah, like that. Alright? And next, how about the 6 or more authors? For these situations, for this current source, you need to have only the first author, right? The first author. Otherwise, they have 6, 7, 8, and so on. So you just pick up the first author names, right? The surname of the first author. So, for example, in these situations, one of the few physiological studies of this topic in bracket, Haxby et al. Have a dot and a comma and followed with the year of publications. Again, all those names should be in the bracket. Alright, so this is the guidelines for the indirect quotations with parenthetical citations for 3, 4, 5, and 6 and more authors. Right? In the next video, I will teach you all, or I will share with all of you the guidelines how to cater with block citations and other short citation and so on. Okay, so please subscribe to our USM Library TV channel and you can get more from us. Thank you.